With over 3,700 kilometres of roads, we manage a lot of vegetation. We trim saplings, remove tree branches to improve visibility, and we cut, slash and mow roadside grass across the state. Grass grows quickly in warm and wet conditions over summer. This means you may see tall grasses next to some sections of the state road network. But don't be alarmed, because we have a regular program to mow along all our roads. We work closely with the Tasmania Fire Service to make sure that areas with a high fire risk are well maintained. Sometimes we can't mow due to weather conditions. For example, we can't mow when the ground is too wet after it has rained. We also can't mow on very hot and windy days, as the mower blades hitting rocks can cause sparks during the fire season. Different parts of the state have different needs, and that's why each region has their own mowing program. Over the course of summer, we will mow along our highways, and the safety of the community and our workers is our #1 priority. If you see us out and about cutting, slashing or mowing the roadsides, please slow down and follow any signs or directions.